does.
Yeah, they don't have to do that. And
No.
I know they got to have mornings when they wake up and they feel real lousy. I have those mornings and don't really feel like doing anything.
Doctors or anybody here.
You know, they don't think of themselves. They think of all of us, and they get up and they come in and they don't think about how they feel or how poorly they feel that day. They think about us and how we feel and what we need.
And we always come first.
When I first came to Good Samaritan, it was just a little over a year ago. I'd had a stroke in February. And the first doctor I had when I came here was Dr. Hallam. And I can't say enough good things about him. He was very thorough, spends a lot of time with you.
I actually met Dr. Hallam when this building opened. It was about 10, 11 years ago. I came in here so surprised that we had such a place to come to in our county because I was so frustrated. I have a disabled husband, and proving disability is the hardest thing in the world to do for the government, But Dr. Hallam helped us in every way possible by getting us to the right doctors for tests, for staying on it, to make sure that anything that we might have forgotten to do that might help us to, you know, check him out and see what's wrong with him and find out and get it all out there.
He was a delight to see because he was just very kind, very caring. Spent a lot of time with you, you know, being really thorough about a lot of things and explaining things really well to you. So, yeah, he was super.
To have Dr. Hallam, which I love him to death, me and my husband loves him. We miss him when we don't see him. To be a patient of his is really a blessing to us. We feel blessed. It's because we know he's carrying way, and no matter what the problem is, he feels like we can work it out. You know, we just get in there and work it out.
And not only are they constantly working and trying to make other people's lives better, because, you know, if you don't have your health, you don't have anything. You can't enjoy life.
Right.
And they do that for us, and then they do other things to help us feel better. You know, just by knowing that they care. Knowing, sometimes just knowing one person cares.
It's out. I mean, it's obvious.
It makes a difference in your life.
Oh, it
truly does.
It truly does.
And there's got to be people. There's always someone less fortunate than yourself when you look around. And I'm sure there's a lot of people less fortunate than myself. And it gives you a good warm feeling when you see those people and you know that they're going to receive adequate care and they're going to get good care that they can't get anywhere else. They're not, you know. Yeah.
We have so many good doctors, and it's like they all came out of the same bunch because they all have that way about them. Coming here to them is like they love it. And it shows because
it does.
It does. You don't ever feel like you're taking up time that they don't really, you know, they want to get out or whatever. They are here to take care of you, and they do.
Dr. Wilbur has been my doctor for several years now. Actually, I started seeing him when the clinic first opened, and I don't think I can find words. I've tried all this time, the right words that I could say to Dr. Wilbur, to tell him how much I appreciate him and how much I really, really love him. He's been very good to me. He's always been very respectful, always made me feel like my dignity was still intact as it was when I came in the door. He's made me feel real comfortable. He has a smile that when he walks in, he just kind of lights up the room, very much so. You can be feeling really lousy, and I just look at him and that smile, and that's all it takes. He's got an aura he puts off that's so caring and so genuine and sincere.
Dr. Wilbur was great. You know, he was good, hands-on with things. You know, he explained things, a lot of things that you know, wasn't really aware of. And I just really regret I didn't get to have more time with him.
He was great, and he explained stuff to me and everything, and he was real nice and caring and everything. Dr. Wilbur is caring, and he's lovable, and he cares about his patients.
It's just unbelievable how he does for other people and what a great humanitarian I feel he is, as so many other people do. I would say he's the best of anyone I've ever met in my whole life. And I think that what he's given to this world is, he's done more than like knock a dent in it. I mean, he's really made a huge difference while his life with Good Samaritan was going on. I mean, and I'm sure all before that, all his life, everything he's done, because he's just an amazing man.
I really didn't see him but 2 or 3 times, but I really liked the way, you know, he explained things and covered different aspects of stuff that made you feel like, you know, you got some pieces of the puzzle sort of filled in, and he was great.
And he told me, he said, you know, Miss Paget, I've checked your file. You've not had it easy. He says, it's been tough for you, kid, but I'm going to tell you right now, just suck it up. And so I always remember that, you know, when things get lousy, I just suck it up. And it makes it a lot easier because I've got Dr. Wilbur with me telling me to suck it up. And he made it a lot easier because that smile he had when he told me. But he's helped me in many, many ways that were just where I couldn't get help with other doctors. He gave me the help I need. He didn't make you feel like you were cattle that was being run through, you know, as a lot of physicians do.
I'm proud that Pickens County has got a program like this to help people that's not got the money to go to regular doctors and get their medicine stuff. I'm proud that Pickens County has got the Good Samaritan to help people out.
And I certainly want to thank you, Dr. Wilbur. You're the best. And I sure hope I get to see you again and get me a big old bear hug from you. Being associated with the people that we've met here,
Oh, yeah.
that make you feel good and make you appreciative and make you want to be the people that we evolved to while coming here all these years, I feel like.
Yeah.
I know it has me. And I know if I could be just a little bit like Dr. Wilbur, then I wouldn't worry about what I did the rest of my life.
Our place is really growing. We call it our place. It's like
Yeah.
what, you know, it is our place. And it's expanding. It's getting so, we have a psychiatrist now, we have neurologists, we have dermatologists, we have Dr. Booth, we have Dr. We have so many doctors now.
We have a good pharmacy.
That it's just unbelievable.
They transferred me to Dr. Spitznagel, and I've seen him several times, 5 or 6 times, I guess. Again, he's great. I can't believe I keep getting transferred to all these good doctors. Dr. Spitznagel is, he asks a lot of questions. He is very thorough. Very nice.
Well, I seen Dr. John. He was the first doctor I seen when I came up here in 2000, and I have been seeing him ever since. I cannot pronounce his last name, but I do know his first name is Dr. John. I was in pretty bad shape when I came here, and now I am doing wonderful. He has done a whole lot for me. He has straightened me out, and he's got me good health, and I appreciate what he's done for me. He will sit down and talk with you and explain stuff to you. He just won't come in and walk out. He sits down and tells you what he wants you to do and what for you to do, and you do what he tells you to do, and you would be doing all right.
It's interesting. It gives you really a more in-depth look at what's actually going on with you. So I'm enjoying Dr. Spitznagel.
Well, he seems like he cares more than any other doctor. I mean, he takes time, you know, with you. He don't rush you in there. And most of the other doctors, like the other guy said, they're just in there. You're in there and out. But with Dr. John, you're not. He may take 30 minutes. He may take an hour with you and, you know, explain stuff to you.
It's really nice to know that there's a program like this in the county, and that there are doctors, the quality of Dr. Hallam, Dr. Wilbur, Dr. Spitznagel, that actually work with us and are really a big help. And they don't make you feel anyway like, you know, you're here and I'm going to see you and get you out the door and go on to the next one. You don't feel slighted at all. You feel like you're just, actually, I'm more comfortable with these doctors than I am with a private doctor.
I truly feel blessed, totally blessed, I mean, from everyone here.
But the one thing I appreciate really the most is all the doctors that give of their time like they do to work with people like me and the others here at the clinic that really have nowhere else to turn to.
But I love the people here. I wouldn't take anything for, I would do anything they asked me to do as far as working or volunteering or anything I can do.
This is really a great place that's done a lot to help so many people. And it's just a countless number of people that have received help here. You don't come in here and leave being let down or feeling, you know, feeling bewildered.
Yeah.
That don't happen here.
Right. You come in here looking for help, you're going to get it.